Are you looking for the best disposable bed pads? We've got these right here. Figured I'd show these things off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and grab that Mike Vance knife right there so we can open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside here. So these are the kind that are the water absorbing type of things. So we're going to do a test with that and see how much water they can absorb into these pads. You get a whole bunch of them, in I think 50 or so in this box. Is that correct? I don't see it. Yeah, 50 count right here, and they are a 36 inch by 36 inch or 91 centimeter by 91 centimeter. By the way, if y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking up that up for me right there. Okay, so they come all bagged up in here as well. Let's go ahead and undo that, and we will pull one right on out of here just like that. Bring this on down so we can do our test. Okay, so, open it up just like this. Open it on outward just like this. Man, that takes up a lot of good space there too, so it's gonna cover a lot of the bed area that you need to cover so that you protect your mattress. That's basically what you're doing here, which is very nice so that you don't have to go and try and clean and spot clean the mattress, have a big, mess right there, and you got to try and figure out how to get all that up out of there. That is the biggest pain in the butt. And so this one, again, has large area of coverage right here, and it's got this border all the way around it as well. Let's go ahead and grab, I've got a pitcher of water right here. Do y'all think this thing can absorb an entire pitcher of water? Let's find out. All right, let me bring you guys on down, and I'm just gonna, let's see what it does first, just kind of right from the get-go. Okay, it absorbed into there. Yep. And you know what? Before we do it all, let's check the back just to see what it's doing. Okay, so it's not wet on the table. I don't see it coming through on the back side of that as well, so that's awesome. All right, let's give it a little bit more and see what we got. I'm just going to start pouring all around. I don't know where the saturation point is going to be on this, but since this is such a large cloth area too, disposable pad, I think it's going to be able to take a lot. Man, I am impressed by this right here. Dang. Okay, we've gotten probably about halfway through the picture right there. Let's take a little halfway break. Look at that. Yes. Not coming through at all. That is fantastic. All right, let's add a little bit more. Let's just get to going with it now. So we have a little bit hanging off over here too. Let's do more over here. Still got lots of room. Yeah, look, this is the entire pitcher right there. We got that entire pitcher inside of this pad right here. And if we flip this over, it is not coming through. Man, it added a lot of weight to it, that's for sure. But see, what's nice about this, if someone uses the bathroom while they're sleeping, they have the incontinence problem, or they're just, a child learn how to use the bathroom, this would be a great saver for your mat. Think of it as like insurance for your mattress that, is super duper cheap. And so you can just simply lay one of these out, whenever there's going to come a point where, somebody's going to have an accident. All you have to do is simply take this, you can kind of fold it on up like this, and then you can dispose of it from there and put down another one, and you'll be good to go. So if y'all are looking for some excellent disposable bed pads, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all some of these right here. This thing is fantastic. I can't believe that it held an entire pitcher of water right here in this pad. That's pretty amazing. So I believe that they make this in a few different quantity counts, if you will. Like this is the 50 count. I believe that they make it in smaller and larger packs. So if you kind of want to test them out, or you need a bunch, definitely go and check out the product listing below, and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the however many you think you're going to need for your situation. Also, they might make it in different sizes as well. Like I said, this is the 36 inch by 36 inch. I don't know if they make them bigger or smaller. Again, definitely have to go and check out that product listing below to see all the different options if they have that on there or not. But I'm impressed by this. Y'all go and grab y'all some of this. Look, I'm just noticing this. It says upgrade thickening, tear resistant, highly leak proof, hypoallergenic, and super absorbency right there. So that's awesome. I'm just trying to, okay, so it's what they have here is a heavyweight and gelling polymer ensures quick and effective fluid absorption, which is what we saw in there. And then I like how they kind of break it out by the layers right here. You see how you can see all the different layers? That is a soft non-woven surface with the upper absorbent paper. Then they have a super absorbent polymer and fluff pulp. Then you have a lower absorbent paper, and then the PE leak bottom film, and then a tear-resistant non-woven protective layer on there. So I think that we've seen that with this one right here. This thing did an excellent job of like absorbing all this stuff. And look, can try and tear it. That is not tearing right there. So that is awesome. Ugh, I can't tear that. All right, y'all go and grab y'all some of these if this is something that you want. And y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys looking that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart. And remember to go and check out all the different options that they have on there so that you guys can get exactly what you need. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show y'all how much water it can hold in it. And Dad out.